In the cloud, before starting cloud, so we are going for few fundamental of network. So these terminology is used in cloud. So basically these are IP address, ports, and DNS, firewall, VPC and subnet, VM and layers. So these are very important concepts. So if we know, it's good to. Otherwise, people who knows those things, they can skip this uh, this this video. So IP address is nothing but internet protocols, like postal address for in real life, and for the in terms of a computer, uh, IP address is combination of unique number that assigned to server. For example, 8.8.8.8 is public address for dns.google.com. So open the website and try. So it's the different names which computer understand, and the host name where human can understand. The port are likely the entry gates. So port typically, like in the country we call port entry gates. Similarly in the computer also we port means entry gate of machine server. A building where the different entrances are created and dedicated to different people. Server allowed to internet to browser traffic using default port is 80 and 443. IP address, ports, and combination of constitutes full location of server. For example, this is same. So this is the port from here we enter. This is IP address. So DNS is nothing but domain name system. Domain name is 172.217.161 is the IP address of this domain. DNS database where all the mapping and IP domains mean. So there is some databases where this mapping sits between the domain name and this IP address maintained. Firewalls is a firewall is system so which allow or deny the exit from your service. We can use IP, port, and group of IP allow to deny. So basically firewall you need to use IP address and port. VPC is virtual private cloud. VPC is a virtual network space created using logical boundaries on top of the existing hardware. All resources created using cloud computer are always on VPC. Okay, subnet, another, again this is very important concept. Subnet is sort of subnetwork. A VPC divided into small organized unit or subnetwork. There should be at least one subnetwork created any resources in VPC. Sometimes subnetworks created in logically represent a physically region of area. VM. VM is a virtual machine. This is building block of any network infrastructure. VM is a virtual computer connected to the VPC. So the last things about layers, as you had studied in computer science, network consists of so many layers, and the standard is OSI model divided into network into 7 layers. Our cloud computing abstract first 3 layers, and the rest layers are managed by GCP. Mostly deal with the layer 4 to 7. So first 3 layers we need to maintain, the rest will be GCP. So these are concept, and it's very simple, but we need to understand all those things, terminology. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please help to subscribe my channels and like my channels.